Are Messenger Notes notifications popping up more than you'd like? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off Notes notifications on Messenger in just a few taps. Start by opening the Messenger app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of your screen to open the main menu. From here, scroll down and tap on Settings to open your Messenger preferences. Once you're inside Settings, look for the section called Notifications and Sounds under Preferences and tap on it. Now, scroll further down until you reach the Friends section. This is where Messenger lets you manage alerts related to your friends' activity. Here you'll see a list of toggles including one labeled Notes. Simply turn off the Notes toggle switch to stop receiving notifications whenever someone posts a new note. Your Messenger Notes notifications are now disabled, so you'll no longer get interrupted by those updates. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to give it a like, share it with friends, and subscribe for more simple and helpful app tips.